All Loktak Lake area fishermen's union objects Loktak Development Authority's Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project appeals to save the Loktak Lake. And Revenue Minister Karam Shyam leads people in taking out cycle rally, appeals to youth to cultivate cycling habit on second anniversary of Cyclothon campaign today. Hello, welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangtam, bringing you the top stories. General Secretary of all Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union, O. Rajan, has condemned Loktak Development Authority for attempting to initiate Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project worth around 25.58 crore rupees at the Loktak Lake against the prohibition imposed by the High Court of Manipur and the Ministry of Environment. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Rajan asserted that the union has been playing active roles in safeguarding the Loktak Lake since the early days, but Loktak Development Authority, LDA, instead of taking proper measures to protect the lake, is trying to commercialize the lake. He further condemned LDA for putting the blames upon the local fishermen for deteriorating condition of the lake. O. Rajan stated that the construction of Ithai Dam, dumping of garbage and waste materials in the Nambul River, and use of insecticides in the fields around the lake are the main causes behind degradation of the lake. He urged LDA to strive honestly and earnestly to preserve and save the Loktak Lake. O. Rajan urged authorities concerned to build airlift system. It is deemed necessary. Many fishermen of Loktak Lake took part in the press meet.
Motobu Tozil Taragadi, Motobu Pankad, Ungarabagada, Makada Lebanga Maki, Lebanga Moy, Yamatang had Using Mayam, Paragala, Agalokaka Sakariam, restless with an Tapum Kongway, Loktak Development Authority, Asugum Batabaka, Loktak, Apatabaka, put them the table, Loktak destructive keep port of the La Akalda, development gaming the Makona Loktak destructive order, environmental the Yamakaiva people never. Romaquin Hybocalda. Praja Singasina, Pum Pulra, he Yobayadi, Hybeneva. Aruga Makoina 2008 to 15 bag with Loktaki Pumro saying, Bulu claim Toga, was in the Pumri have the Arta Lucinida.
Revenue Minister Karam Shyam led people in carrying out a cycle rally in and around Langthabal constituency today. The event marked the second anniversary of Cyclothon campaign initiated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2017, emphasizing the importance of fuel conservation and a pollution-free environment. Revenue Minister Karam Shyam launched a campaign in the state on November 26, 2017, and he has been cycling every Thursdays to office since then. The cycle rally began from Chajing Myren Khong Community Hall, passing through various places of Langthabal constituency and finally concluded at Myren Khong Community Hall, where a function was held. The minister presented bicycles to 12 students who study in class 11 and 12 at Lelong Higher Secondary School on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Minister Karam Shyam encouraged people not to shy away from imitating good habits. He appealed to youths to cultivate the good habit of cycling to build a strong and healthy society.
Adi Hore Batung in Harol Singda, Tamzaningai, Uiba Munda, Faviva City, Tamgadavani Hore, Banarol Singna, Jai Shu Singna, Haibagi Wakalonda, Truste Kodingi, Cycle say, Haptamada, Amumuk, Tauni. Aduna Prime Minister Ki, Pandam the Su, Akwe, Sayolamagi Manunda, Lady Ba, Bharatki, Koti Samaga, Puntramuk. Lady Basina, Magi profession, Adu Tidana, politician wheresu, IS officer wheresu, any level the lady by me Kutimuna, Sayola Madanoma, Magi cycle sit Tauragati, oil consumed over Gizang Handahanba, Haksang Panba, Aduga pollution Panba, Sel Tungi Pibam Pagalanba, Ibawakalondu, the Hodokibani, Aduna, Yamna Matting Laba, Kunayama, Weraknaba Honabakanda, the Matting Topan Harul Kayagi, Mapam Manipurgi Samaz, the Amna Darkar lady.
Labour Department kicked off Pension Week or Pension Saptaha on Pradhan Mantri, Shram Yogi Man Dhan PMSYM and National Pension Scheme, Trader Scheme at Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDC in Palace Compound today. Speaking on the occasion, Labour Minister Thauchom Radhe Shyam appealed to labourers to avail the benefits of the government schemes meant specially for their welfare in old age. He stated that workers in the unorganized sector between the age of 18 to 40 with less than 15,000 rupees per month can apply for Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Man Dhan pension scheme to get pension amount of up to 2,000 rupees after they attain the age of 60. He added that those in business with annual income less than 1.5 crore rupees can apply for National Pension Scheme, Trader Scheme to get pension benefit of up to 3,000 rupees. Minister Thauchom Radheshya maintained that beneficiaries can apply for the schemes launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the nearest common service centers without even coming to the Labour Department office. He said that the government is targeting to enroll 35 lakh beneficiaries under PMSYM and 25 lakh beneficiaries under NPS Trader Scheme. Chairman of Manipur Building and Other Workers Construction Workers Board Haikam Dingon, Additional Chief Secretary of the Labour Department, Ledkochin Haukip, Deputy Labour Commissioner Karam Bobo, and representatives of labour organizations attended the event.
Office Tabama Lak, like to all Lagana, Tabuk Nungai, to Wigo Evan. Mana come to the Pura Laga, Laos, right to begin Malao, Shelao, Ebe Malao, Tamolo, Kakalo, Hagadodra, Adu the letter Diaro, Adi, Taudiaro, Adu Taurana, even to Joki Vivetare, Adonai Labour Department, Yaviro, Kudimotena, request of the Ningisi, Lay River Government, the Yauriba, we say, we are very fortunate. Me, Mating Pamangam by say, Mating Pamagi service mato way say, Masi sworn up with the Kutomsa, Pyramid Kangatona. Anybody approach of Wakanda, Kramana Mating Pangsige. Why they have come to us? Akwai the lai sikari no. Mating amin guitar yaur ne Bible le yaur ne. Isor from nabi quite a ten malami sikari no kanda. Awana ta mating ni bumi the mating pang was a wife.
Kanglei Kongyang Tijin Yon KKT Department of Chemistry DM College jointly kicked off the first National Conference on Science and Technology for Society at the Chemistry Department of the college today. Dean of Physical and Mathematical Science, Manipur University, Professor N. Raj Mohan, Professor N. Botombi, Dr. L. J. Deva, and Principal of DM College, Professor L. Jadu graced the event. The conference, named as Kumang, was organized specially for science enthusiasts, and it encouraged inventors to get patent rights for their new inventions through KKT.
Anybody who is interested in science aduga technology sida hek interested oriba mi khudimangna akoigi KKT gi through the lak piraga anything interested related to science and technology akoi nong sikuma haijari se ko sigi sida technology patent tawningba aduga lairaba mi ama weraga su ina khunba ama weraga su aina science ki damang te kenom tawraga di akoi always welcome haiba se akoigi ngasigi khumang 2019 sigi akoigi aim and objective ni.
Directorate of Tourism in a press release informed that the 10th Manipur Sangai Festival 2019, which was supposed to conclude today, has been extended till December 2nd, following a resolution of the government. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah will grace the closing ceremony on December 2nd as Chief Guest at Bhagachandra Open Air Theatre, Hapta Kangjibung at 4:30 p.m. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on assembly floor tests of Uddhav Thackeray-led Alliance government of Maharashtra this afternoon. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Now some national news. Uddhav Thackeray-led Maha Vikas Aghadi government of the Shiv Sena and CP Congress alliance in Maharashtra will face floor tests in the assembly today during a special two-day sitting of the assembly. Governor B.S. Koshyari has asked Thackeray to prove majority by December 3rd. The Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress formed a government after the Thackeray-led party fell out with pre-poll ally BJP over sharing the chief ministerial post. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has said that Rajya Sabha will form an informal group of MPs to discuss various challenges posed by social media. Addressing a function in New Delhi yesterday, Venkaiah Naidu expressed concern that this trend on social media is misleading the children and posing the biggest challenge to Indian values by devaluing our age-old family system. Vice President also said media should cover substantive work being done by Parliament rather than focusing only on sensational remarks or disruptive behavior. And now the sports news. ATK will play against Mumbai City in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-20 at Kolkata's Yuba Bharati Kirangan Salt Lake Stadium tonight at 7:30. Hyderabad and Bangalore FC ended in 1-1 draw in the league match played at GMC Bala Yogi Athletic Stadium yesterday. For Hyderabad, Robin Singh scored 1 goal at 90 plus 2 minute, and for Bangalore FC, Sunil Chetri at 2nd minute of the match. First match of the Hero I-League 2019 between Aizawl FC and Mohun Bagan is underway at Aizawl's Rajiv Gandhi Stadium since 2 p.m. today. In the second league match, Kerala Gokulam will play against Neroka FC at Kochikode's EMS Stadium tonight at 7:11. 11 teams are competing in the Hero I-League, which kicked off today. The teams are Aizawl FC, Chennai City FC, Churchill Brothers, East Bengal FC, Kerala Gokulam, Indians, Arrows, Minerva Punjab, Mohun Bagan, Neroka FC, Real Kashmir and Trau. Before we end, let's take a look at headlines once again. All Loktak Lake Area Fishermen's Union objects Loktak Development Authority's Loktak Inland Waterways Improvement Project appeals to save the Loktak Lake. And Revenue Minister Karam Shyam leads people in taking out cycle rally, appeals to youths to cultivate cycling habit on 2nd anniversary of Cyclothon campaign today.